My name is Shila. I came to Bonney Lake Collision 1. So I was in a minor car accident where I needed to get my car repaired, and the insurance company asked where I would like to take my car for repairs and gave me a list of the preferred shops. I chose Collision 1 only because I read the reviews online and they were all positive. Now typically I have bad luck of anytime I go in for repairs, however this experience was the exact opposite. They provided excellent service from the office staff to the actual repairs. They were quick and efficient and the quality of work was excellent. I was surprised at how quick they were in repairing my vehicle even over the Thanksgiving holiday. They provided a loaner car while my car was being repaired, as well as took care of a dent that was not even a result of the accident. They were competitive in pricing and didn't try to sell or push me into buying any additional unnecessary things. They were professional and friendly, and I would highly recommend them. I will definitely continue to use Collision 1 for any future needs.
Collision 1. Auto body like it never happened.